Guys, what are you doing here? I'm making Znoud El Sit. Come in. Come on, let's go. Fresh. Come on, hurry up. While I'm cooking, you have to dance. Yes, habibi, yes. Oh. If you don't eat it, you're missing out. You're missing out. It's time to make the syrup. I'm just making for one tray. Bit of water. I don't measure. I just work how the way I feel. You make sure you clean all around here so it won't burn the sugar around the bowl. Then you put it on the stove. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Do not touch it, do not stir it. You think you're doing something good? No, do not stir it. Just leave it like this. So you get the big Fillo Pastry, big size of it. Then you cut it into two sizes. That size for the bottom, a bit wider for inside so you can put the ashta. Znoud El Sit means lady's arm. Nice and soft. You know, you cut the woman with her arms. That's why they call Znoud El Sit. Lovely arm. That's a small pastry. And this is a bit wider pastry. Go like that. Like that. You put ashta, you turn this one like that, and this one like that. And you turn this, see how far from here? And you go, you don't go like that, no. Here you go. You go like that. Easy. This made out of milk powder. Milk and water only. That's how thick it is. Bit of water, so the fillo, all right, when you put it, it doesn't blow. A lot of people will say, oh, you do it with oil, and this is not oil, this is ghee. Whoever tells you cooking in oil, you can't leave it too long in there, because it can blow all the way in here. All right. While I'm cooking, you have to dance. If you don't dance, if you don't be happy, forget it. Nothing comes out. Music, no music, you dance. That's it. Yes, habibi, yes. Life is very short. Today you're here, tomorrow you don't know if you're back or not. This is God. Look at this, how nice it is. It's worth it to come and try it and eat it. You will love it.